Forfeiture of shares issued at a discount. What is the difference when shares were issued at a discount and these shares are being forfeited? The entry is share capital account debit with the called up value into the shares forfeited. It's always called up value. To shares forfeited with the amount which is received. To calls in arrears with the unpaid amount, with the calls in arrears with the unpaid amount on the shares forfeited, and to discount account with the discount amount on the shares forfeited. Discount which was debited at the time of allotment is reversed at the time of forfeiture. So suppose we take a share of rupees 10 which is issued at a discount of rupee 1. Right? In such a case, let us say the amounts payable were 2 plus 3 plus 4. Because totally only 9 would be paid. Rupee 1 is a discount. This rupee 1, discount, let us assume that this first 2 installments were received and the final installment of 4 was not received. So what would be the entry? Assuming that one share is being forfeited, share capital account would be debited with the called up value. Assuming that it is entirely called up, you will debit share capital with 10. To shares forfeited with the amount received on the shares forfeited. So we have received 3 plus 2, 5 rupees. To calls in arrears is 4 rupees. To discount 1 rupee, only then we can complete this journal entry. Only then the debits and the credits would tally. Therefore, discount which has been debited at the time of issue is credited at the time of forfeiture. In case forfeiture shares which were issued at a discount are being forfeited, what is the entry? Share capital account debit with the called up value. To shares forfeited with the amount received, to calls in arrears with the amount not received, and to discount with the amount of discount which was given at the time of issue. Let us consider an example. X Limited forfeited 1000 shares of 10 each issued at a discount of rupee 1 per share for non-payment of the final call of rupees 2. So, what is the called up value? Called up value is rupees 10. The full value, called up value, rupees 10. Okay. Not paid calls in arrears. Not paid is rupees 2. Discount of rupee 1. So what is the amount which has been paid? What is the amount which is being paid by the shareholder received by the company? It must be 7. So the company has received 7 rupees, has not received 2 rupees and 1 rupees anyway discount. So what is the entry? Here it would be share capital account debit with the paid up value. What is the paid up value? 10. 10 into 1000. 10,000. 2. Shares forfeited with the amount received on the shares forfeited. How many shares forfeited? 1000 shares forfeited into the amount received is 7. That is 7,000. 2. Calls in arrears. How much is the calls in arrears? 2 per share. 2 into 1000. 2000. And reinstate the discount, write back the discount on issue of shares 1 rupee or 1000. This would complete the entry on forfeiture of 1000 shares for non-payment of rupees 2 per share. Shares originally issued at a discount of rupee 1. XYZ Limited forfeited 1000 shares held by Madhu with a nominal value of 10 each, issued at a discount of rupee 1. Amounts were payable as 4 on application, 2 on allotment and 3 on final call. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 total and 1 rupee discount. The company has not yet made the final call. Past journal entries in the books of the company on forfeiture of shares held by Madhu for non-payment of allotment money. So there are only 3 installments, out of which 1 call has not been made, 1 call he has not paid, and 1 call he has paid. Which means what? What is the called up value of the share? Only the final call of 3 has not been made. That means the called up value of the share is rupees 7. What is the discount? Discount element is 1. What is the amount in arrears? Not paid is the allotment money. That is rupees 2. What has been received? What is paid by Madhu or received by the company is an amount of 4. So this 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how it has been accounted for. So what is your journal entry? It should be share capital account debit with the called up value. What is the called up value? It is only 7. 7 into 1000 shares, 7000. 2. Shares forfeited account with the amount collected on the shares forfeited. 1000 shares. We have collected 4 rupees. Therefore, we are talking about 4000. 2. Calls in arrears. Amount not received. What is in arrears? He has not paid 2 rupees. 2000. 2 per share into 1000 shares. 2. Discount on issue of shares was 1 rupee per share. Therefore, 1000.